Watch me laminate my brows for the first time. This kit came with literally everything you needed, including all of the products and a bunch of different brushes to apply them. Y'all know I had to read the instructions and we hopped right in. This was the relax treatment. It went on your skin, not on your eyebrows. You then did the brow glue fixing gel, which helped to lay your brows exactly how you wanted them. I didn't necessarily want to change the shape of my eyebrows because I pretty much like them how they are. I just wanted to get my hairs to stay where I put them. First, you applied the brow lift. As you can see here, you just put that right on your eyebrows and then you just wait a few minutes. Already I can see a difference between my other brow and this brow. Then you did the brow set treatment. Again, same process. Let that sit for a few minutes, then you do the keratin treatment. Overall, this product did a really good job and it was super easy to use. The instructions were really easy to read. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked right here.